Alright, so I chose to go over make-believe comics. This was one of my favorite tools that we learned so far in the course. One, because it's super simple, and two, because I think kids will really enjoy using this resource. First, you go to makebelievescomics.com, and once it loads, it's going to take you to this page here. You can go ahead and click Create Your Comic, and by default, it's going to give you 3 blank frames. So you can add more frames by using the plus sign, or you can delete by using the subtract. To work on a frame, you have to click that frame particularly before adding anything to it. So we'll select the first frame, and if you look down here on the bottom, these are going to be your options of what you can add to the frame. There's a lot of options that I haven't explored, so I'll just go over the very basic ones, which should be characters, balloons and prompts, and scrolling to the right, we'll go over background. Okay, so to get started, I will choose my background. I'm going to choose this one. Now you can move it around. You just click and drag, and you can also scale the size by this little arrow here. So you click the arrow, you click the background, and you can just zoom in or out. So I'll just zoom to here, select the move arrow again, and position your background. Okay, so to speed this up, I'll go ahead and add the same background to the other frames and be right back. Alright, so here I have all the backgrounds added already to save some time. Now I'll show you how to add a character. So going back to my first frame, you're going to click on characters, and there's going to be a lot of different ones. When you click on a character, there will be sometimes a few extra like movements. So let's, for example, click this girl, and you can see there's different options. So I'm going to choose her peaceful state. And again, you can scale the size, click scale, click your character, and then you can drag the bar. Okay, so put her here. For this particular frame, I'm not going to add any words. So going to this frame, I will again add my character. Okay, so she's just meditating in the park. And then maybe we will add a second character into the frame. Let's add this one here. Okay, so now we'll go into the third frame, and we will add some words. Okay, so on the third frame here, I'm going to add some words. You just click on the options here, and you can click any of the bubbles that you'd like. So there's small, medium, and large, and this will actually make a difference in how much text you can fit into the box. So I just need a small one. Alright, so just quick text, going back to moving, and then you can drag it. You can also, again, scale your text box. You, of course, want to keep it readable. So yeah, we'll just put it there. Okay. Okay, so to finish up my comic, I just made a quick response. Maybe she gets scared out of her peaceful state, and I just went ahead and put to be continued. So once you're finished, saving is pretty simple. You can actually just go to here, click on print, and you can actually print it directly off your computer, or you can choose to make a free account, sign in to save it. And another thing that you can do is save image to disk. By clicking this, it's actually going to download straight into your computer, and you can open it as a regular image. So that's it for the tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave it in the response. But I hope that helps for anyone who hasn't already used Make Believe Comics.